kick in of these four giant engines. All of that weight, and now all of that energy approaching liftoff speed. CC-117, Globemaster 3.
Wow.
429 Squadron has flown a variety of aircraft throughout their history, as I mentioned, and we celebrate 100 years of RCAF history here this weekend. With the Globemaster 3, the only aircraft the squadron flies today, they began using the giant airlifter within days of receiving the first Globemaster in the summer of 2007. Crews have been busy ever since delivering on their mission to develop and maintain a globally responsive capability.